Hi guys, this is Jackson here. Today I am going to unbox this VK1060 Pro graphic tablet from Amazon, which I ordered from Amazon. So the price at what I got this device is 6100. So let's open the box. This tablet came in a very good packaging from the brand store. So this is the Amazon box, and it came with this paper inside. This is the product box. So let's open this. Okay, so the box looks very premium. It looks almost like a MacBook box. The MacBook also comes in this kind of boxing itself. Nice packaging, so you can store this graphic tablet very nicely when you're not using it. So the inner cover of the box is padded nicely with this foam. Okay, so the first thing that we get here is this protector, this finger gloves that is there. So I'll open this and show it later, like how to you wear it and how it benefits while drawing. So the second thing that is there is the actual graphic tablet here. Let me show it to you. So it's very light. It is I think it is hardly half a kilo maybe. Very light. Like you can carry it in one hand very easily. Okay, so the next thing that I have here is this is the screen protector that they have given. Okay, so this has a kind of sticker on top. I'm not sure how to use this, but I'll come to know later when I actually use it on the tablet. This is just a paper separator. For the accessories, I'll go with the pen first. Okay, so the pen comes in a nice felt cover that is there. So this is a pen here. It's very light to hold in the hand. Also grip wise, it is having the size of a typical ball pen itself. It has two buttons here, one on top and one on the bottom. So that's it about the pen. The nib of the pen here, I'm not sure whether you're able to see it. It's an artificial nib. I think this can be changed as I had seen in the previous videos. So we'll come back to the pen again a bit later. So this is another accessory that they have given. Okay, this is the carry bag for the tablet. The inside of the bag is also very smooth. It's a premium. Outside is very like kind of a velvet feeling. So this is in case if you want to carry the tablet anywhere with you. Okay, so they've given a bunch of stickers here. I had seen these in some other videos as well. So I'm not going to spend much time on these. Okay, so they have given two OTG adapters as well. So one is USB-C adapter, the black one here, and the gray one is a micro USB adapter in case you want to connect it to an Android tablet or phone. The USB-C is mostly to be used with modern laptops that have USB-C ports only. Okay, so this is the connecting wire that connects the laptop or tablet or phone to the graphic tablet. The connector which goes into the graphic tablet is a USB-C connector here. So other than that, they have given a lot of extra nibs here, the pen nibs here, and a nib remover. So this is something good. So they have given one cleaning cloth also, microfiber cloth, and this is the nib holder, the pen holder that is there. Okay, so there is another part here, this one as well. Oh, so there are some more pen nibs here. I'll just focus out. So if you can see here, these are some extra nibs that are there. So how it goes is that you can put this like this. One second. Okay, so here it is. So you just put the base and the cover together and just rotate it a bit and it fits perfectly. So you can store the extra nibs inside this, and you keep the pen inside this like this on the desk. So there is a card that gives driver download information. So in case if you're using Windows or some other OS, in that case you have to download the driver for your specific tablet version. So this card gives information on that, and also some promotional information about the company. So there is another quick starter guide here. There is a battery free pen tablet. So that's all. These are the contents of the box here, and as you see, the packaging is very standard. It comes almost like a Apple MacBook Pro packaging with every slot for each thing and all. It's a very good packaging and branding that is given to the product. I'll do another video on this graphic tablet about how to make simple drawings and what is the quality and the precision that I get when you use this tablet. I was initially using a normal drawing book and a pencil to make drawings, and then I used to convert those to digital art. I have made a video on that also, but it was a very time consuming process, and the quality of the digitized art is still not that very great. So that's why I bought this tablet, and I'll try to do the drawings directly and see what is the pros and cons of each, and whether using a drawing tablet is beneficial for me or not. Okay, thank you.